Hello, everyone. I hope you have had a great weekend, that you're feeling all rested and ready to finish this out. Because look, I'm going to get right into modules, and I just think this is so exciting as we go clear through all of these weeks. Look at all of these weeks that you've survived, that you've thrived and done incredible things. And then here we are. This is what we have left. 2 more weeks. That's it. I can fit the whole thing, all of our to-dos on one screen, and that's pretty exciting. So let's look and see what we're doing here in week 15. Got the overview here. This little GIF makes me laugh. But we're in the final stretch here, and I'm going to be putting these instructions for writing project 3 in front of your face several times because I want you to review it. I want you to know exactly what you have been assigned to write. This isn't some generic essay that you've been assigned. You need to write according to this specific essay requirements. You know, look, what is the topic supposed to be about? How are we using those sources that we used in the annotated bibliography to support an interesting, an interesting essay? How are we using those 6 sources, 1,200 words? How are we incorporating the Swell's CARS method in our introduction? Read over all of this to make sure that you remember what exactly we are doing here. And then I have a great handout here. It's one of my favorite handouts. It's not very long, but it's a great handout on conclusions because we are going to end this section with a conclusion, right? End this essay with a conclusion. And conclusions are quite complex. They have a very important job to do. It's not just, you know, doing some clever little dismount. It's not just stopping writing. You know, there are specific moves that an academic audience expects to see in a conclusion. So read over that handout, do this assignment. It's not too difficult because I want you to be focused on your drafting because guess what's coming up next? So that's going to be due Tuesday. On Thursday, we're going to start a peer review. So you need your rough drafts finished by Thursday. And we have had a long time to work on this. And so you should have had plenty of time, more time than I usually give students, to work on this. So get that in there on Thursday, and I'm asking everyone to do 2 peer reviews, but they're not complex. I've provided the peer review sheets, and I'm asking you to look for a few things. Look at the points and the use of evidence and all of that kind of lovely stuff. And you're going to download that. You are going to please follow the directions for this peer review. I know Canvas has a few different options for peer reviews, but I'm going to ask you to use my instructions to respond to this discussion board by attaching your draft. If you are attaching a Google document, make sure that it's public, that it's shared so your peers can open it. And then, so let's see, this is going to be due by 11:50 p.m. on Thursday night. Okay, and so in the middle of the night, about an hour after that, Canvas is going to automatically assign you 2 peers to review, 2 peers paper. Then you will find their post, you will download their draft and fill out the peer review worksheet and then reattach it. We've done this all before, so just make sure that you read over the instructions and let me know if there's any problems there. And that is going to begin Thursday and then be due by Saturday night. Okay, and then I think we just get right into the week 16, our last week. So that's all I have to tell you right now. You can look ahead and see what we're doing, but I will be posting another video next week. So you all let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.